Wow. You can hear the clinking there. An earthquake startled this dog as it shook the Northeast earlier this morning. The United States Geological Survey says the earthquake was a magnitude 4.7 or a 4.8 with an epicenter near White House Station, New Jersey. Currently, there are no reports of major impacts, but residents from Manhattan all the way to the suburbs are talking about feeling the ground shake.
Never experienced one out here before, shaking for about 10 seconds pretty violently in the house. Things on our roof started calming down, some of the debris, the tree branches and stuff.
New York's governor says state agencies will survey the bridges, roads, railways, dams, and any other vulnerable infrastructure to ensure they are safe after the earthquake in the tri-state area. The earthquake happened at around 10 a.m. Eastern Time.